Good evening, friend. I am Arun Kumar Singh. Today I want to talk about hydrocarbons. As the name given hydrocarbon, it is the compound of carbon and hydrogen. Hence we can say that compound of hydrogen and carbon are called hydrocarbon. These hydrocarbons are divided into two groups, saturate hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Since all the hydrocarbon contain the carbon atom, so all the hydrocarbons are a good quality of fuel, because carbon is itself a good quality of fuel. So all the hydrocarbons are also a good quality of fuel and are also used for different purposes. If you talk about the saturate hydrocarbon, its general formula is CnH2n plus 2, and if we put the value of n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, we can get the first 4 member and more than 4 member of saturate hydrocarbon like methane, CH4, ethane, C2H6, propane, C3H8, butane, C4H10, pentane, C5H12 and so on. Since all these saturate hydrocarbon contain carbon atom and all the carbon atom are attached with other carbon atom and with hydrogen atoms with a single bond, so it is very strong and it is also a good quality of fuel. The LPG which we are using commonly and we are also know it very popularly, and it is also being used even in rural areas. People living in rural areas are also using LPG frequently, conveniently and safely. The LPG, which is called a good quality of fuel, a smokeless fuel, and it doesn't create any pollution in our environment, contain butane and propane. Major quantity of LPG is butane and a small amount of propane is also added with it. So LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, is basically the composition of butane and propane. If you talk about the unsaturated hydrocarbon, it is of two kinds, alkene and alkyne. If you talk about the alkene, its general formula is CnH2n, and any two carbon atom of the compound are attached with the double bond. Few members of alkenes are C2H4, which is called ethene, C3H6, which is called propene, C4H8 called butene. These compounds are also of great use. These compounds can also be saturated. If we supply a few atoms of hydrogen to different compounds of alkene, saturated hydrocarbon can be obtained. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are oftenly found in liquid form like mustard oil, soybean oil and some other like this. If for example, if you get ethene, whose molecular formula is C2H4, if we supply 2 hydrogen atom, it becomes saturated hydrocarbon. And saturated hydrocarbon like dalda, coconut oil, desi ghee and a few more like this. It is called hydrogenation of unsaturated hydrocarbon. If you talk about the other unsaturated hydrocarbon like alkyne, its general formula is CnH2n minus 2, and if we put the value of n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on, we can get 4 or more member of alkyne. First member of alkyne is ethyne. Its formula is C2H2, propyne, C3H4, butane, C4H6 and so on. Then we can say that saturate hydrocarbon or unsaturated hydrocarbon, both are of great use, and all the saturated or unsaturated hydrocarbons contain the carbon atoms, so we can use these compounds in many different form or many purposes. If you take the example of CNG, which is called compressed natural gas, it is basically the methane, CH4. Methane is also called the Mars gas because it is obtained underground the earth. Mars means underground the earth, or it is found in wet places. In metropolitan town, CNG is used as the vehicle's fuel because it does not create any smoke. It makes our environment pollution free, and it also provide the more and more calorie. Its calorific value is high and it is convenient to use also. I think a few idea of hydrocarbons is now get formed, and if you want to have some more idea on some other topics, try to send me and comment me also. If you watch this video till end, thanks from my side, and watch it till end also, and press bell button and like it, so that my next video, which will be discussed in detail on the topics what you selected, will reach you first. Thank you.